How to transfer Amazon gift card balance to your another account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily transfer the balance you have collected from gift cards on Amazon to your another account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, open Amazon on your device. After that, at the left corner, you will see the option of All. Click on it and then click on Customer Service option. After you do so, you will see a lot of menus. There you need to choose the option of Payment Charges, Invoice and Gift Cards. After you do so, again click on the Gift Card option. After that, you will see the option of Applied to Wrong Account. After you do so, you will need to click on I Need More Help option. Once you click on it, you will get to chat with the Amazon support. Once you start chatting, describe your problem, how you want to transfer the balance to your another account. Amazon does not allow to transfer the gift card balance to another account, but while you chat and explain your problem, it might make some exceptions. And that's all. That is how easily you can transfer gift card balance of Amazon to your another account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.